Hi, welcome to my channel, and today I will show you how to crochet amazing project with seed beads. It is very easy to make project, so you don't need special skills. For this project I will use Tunisian crochet. For work I will use 1.4mm crochet hook and a ball of 100% mercerized cotton yarn. Before the work I threaded seed beads onto the working yarn. Let's crochet it. To start the work by making a chain of 7, you should crochet a little bit loosely. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The foundation chain is ready. Then chain more and draw seed beads. Before the work I threaded seed beads onto the working yarn. Yarn over the hook with seed bead. I'm gonna to work with this thread. Here they are. I skip the first one. Yarn over the hook with seed bead. Make half double crochet. Insert the hook into the thread, pull up a loop 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And pull up a loop. I hold all loops with my finger. Then yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Then yarn over, pull through 3 loops. 3, 3, pull through 3 loops, then yarn over, pull through all loops on the hook and make a chain. Here what I have. Let's crochet the next row. I continue working on my cord. 1, 2, 3 chains. Draw seed beads. I skip the first stitch. Yarn over the hook with seed bead. I insert the hook into the thread. Pull up a loop 1, 2. Here they are my stitches. Here are my stitches. 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. I leave 2 stitches. Here they are. 1, 2. Then yarn over the hook and pull through 2 loops. Then yarn over, pull through 3 loops, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and pull through all loops on the hook and make a chain. I will repeat all rows. You should crochet in the same way as I showed you before. Make a chain of 3 for the next row. Draw seed beads. Yarn over the hook with seed bead. I skip the first one. Insert the hook into the second one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. I leave 2 stitches as I did in the previous row. I remove all seed beads. Then yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Then yarn over, pull through 3 loops, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and pull through and make a chain. Here what I have. So you should crochet as many times as you need for your project. My cord is almost ready, and now I show you how to complete it. After you have done the last stitch, to secure the yarn by making a chain, pull a little bit. If you would like to make bracelet or necklace, you should leave a long piece of yarn. Let's look what I have done. Let's look back side. It could be perfect for belt or necklace. Please write comment below this video what you will get with me and where you will use this pattern. All additional information about the tools could be found in the description of each video tutorial. It is very easy to make project, so you don't need special skills. Just yarn, crochet hook and beads. If you don't like to crochet with beads, please use my description. You can find a lot of useful links where you will find special project for you. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Bye!